What if I told you that the most powerful supplement to rebuild your strength after 60 might already be sitting in your kitchen, inside your morning coffee cup? For millions of older adults, coffee is a daily ritual. But here's the shocking part. Depending on what you add to it, that same cup can either steal your strength over time or quietly help rebuild muscle, protect your joints, and support your hardened brain. After 60, the average person loses up to 8% of their muscle mass every decade. That loss is not just about vanity. It raises your risk of falls, fractures, hospitalizations, and even early death. But when you combine coffee with the right natural additions, you're no longer just drinking a pick-me-up. You're drinking a strategy. Today, we're counting down 8 science-backed ingredients you can stir into your coffee to support muscle, metabolism, and healthy aging. From number 8 all the way to number 1. Make sure you stick with me until the end, because the top ingredient on this list is so powerful. Studies have shown strength improvements of over 40% in older adults, and almost nobody is using it in their morning coffee. Before we dive in, I'm Dr. Davidowitz, MD, and this is Senior Health Secrets, where we give you practical science-based tools to stay strong and independent after 60. Quick question. How old are you? Where are you watching from? And how's your health been feeling lately? Let me know in the comments. I really do read them. All right, let's start the countdown. Number 8. Cinnamon. Most people think of cinnamon as a dessert spice or a holiday flavor. But when you stir it into coffee, it becomes a quiet, muscle-protecting ally. Cinnamon is rich in compounds that support circulation, help calm inflammation, and, most importantly, support steadier blood sugar. That last part is crucial. When your blood sugar spikes and crashes all day, your muscles don't get a steady supply of fuel, and you store more fat instead of building lean tissue. Think about someone like John, 68. He felt wiped out after lunch every day. His legs felt heavier on the stairs, and his blood sugar numbers kept creeping up. After a little encouragement, he started adding about half a teaspoon of cinnamon to his morning coffee. A few weeks later, he noticed fewer afternoon crashes, lighter legs, and better blood sugar readings at his checkup. Use Ceylon, true, cinnamon if possible, and just a small sprinkle in your coffee. No sugar, no extra calories, and you've turned a simple habit into a metabolic upgrade. Number 7. Cocoa powder. No, not sugary hot chocolate mix. We're talking about unsweetened cocoa powder. Cocoa is packed with flavonols, plant compounds that support blood vessel function and circulation. As we age, blood flow to the muscles often slows. Less oxygen in the muscles means more fatigue and slower recovery. Evelyn, 72, loved her morning walks, but her legs felt like lead by the second block. Her grandson suggested she try adding a teaspoon of unsweetened cocoa powder to her coffee. It sounded strange, but she tried it. Within a few weeks, her walks felt smoother, and at her next visit, her blood pressure was a little better too. Coffee already gives you a bit of energy. Cocoa adds circulation support on top of that. Use plain, unsweetened cocoa, stir about a teaspoon into your coffee, and you get a richer taste and a gentle boost for your blood vessels. Number 6. Coconut oil or MCT oil. This one sounds odd at first. Oil in coffee? But in many parts of the world, adding coconut or MCT oil has been used as a way to fuel both body and brain. As we get older, our cells often become less efficient at using sugar as fuel. That's when fatigue, brain fog, and muscle weakness can creep in. Medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, from coconut or MCT oil are converted quickly into ketones, a clean, stable energy source your muscles and brain can use. Harold, 69, used to feel shaky and snack-hungry by mid-morning. He'd drink his coffee, then crash. After starting with just 1 teaspoon of MCT oil blended into his coffee, he noticed his energy stayed steady until lunch. Over a couple of months, his cravings dropped and his waistband loosened. Start with about 1 teaspoon of coconut or MCT oil in hot coffee and blend it to create a creamy texture. Increase slowly if your stomach tolerates it. The goal is gentle, steady energy, not a greasy cup. Number 5. Milk or soy milk. This one seems almost too simple. Adding milk or soy milk to your coffee. After 60, every gram of protein counts. Muscle doesn't maintain itself. Milk provides complete protein, including leucine, one of the key amino acids that triggers muscle repair. Soy milk offers high-quality plant protein and compounds that also support heart and bone health. Dolores, 72, had always taken her coffee black, thinking she was being good by avoiding cream. But her daughter, a nurse, noticed her arms getting thinner and her grip weaker. She encouraged Dolores to add half a cup of fortified soy milk to her morning coffee. Over the next few months, climbing stairs felt easier, and her doctor even mentioned a small improvement in her bone density. Half a cup of milk or soy milk can add roughly 4-6 grams of protein to your day without turning it into a heavy meal. Choose lactose-free if you're intolerant, or calcium-fortified soy milk if you prefer plant-based. Skip the sugary creamers. They add calories, but no meaningful protein. If you're finding this helpful so far, tap the like button and subscribe to Senior Health Secrets so you don't miss future videos. And if you'd like to support the channel, the Super Thanks button under the video is a big help. Even small contributions make a difference. Now let's move into the heavy hitters. Number 4. Collagen powder. Most people think of collagen as a beauty supplement, but for older adults, it's more like structural repair material. Collagen is a major component of your muscles, tendons, ligaments, cartilage, and bones. After 60, natural collagen production declines, and that's when you start to notice creaky joints, stiffness, and slower recovery. Robert, 70, loved working in his garden, but his knees and back would punish him for days afterward. A neighbor suggested adding a scoop of collagen powder to his morning coffee. It dissolves almost completely and has no real taste. After 2 months, he noticed less joint soreness after gardening and found it easier to kneel and get back up. A typical scoop of collagen adds around 8 to 10 grams of protein focused on joint and connective tissue support. Coffee's warmth helps it dissolve, making it an easy way to get it in daily. Number 3. Whey protein powder. Now we're getting into true muscle-building territory. Many older adults think protein powder is just for young gym-goers. In reality, research shows older adults need protein even more, because of something called anabolic resistance. Your muscles don't respond as strongly to small protein doses as they did when you were younger. Whey protein is particularly rich in leucine, which is like flipping the grow and repair muscle switch in your body. In studies, older adults who took whey protein regularly gained more lean muscle, improved strength, and even walked faster compared to those who didn't. Helen, 67, didn't think of herself as the protein shake type. Her son convinced her to try adding 1 scoop of unflavored whey isolate to her morning coffee. It mixed in smoothly and didn't change the taste much. Over the next several weeks, she noticed her arms felt firmer, carrying laundry was easier, and her balance felt more secure. 1 scoop of whey in your coffee can give you 20+ grams of high-quality protein first thing in the day. If you're sensitive to lactose, whey isolate or a hydrolyzed whey is usually easier to digest. Number 2. Chia seeds, ground. Tiny, quiet, and often ignored, chia seeds might be one of the most powerful add-ins for older adults, if you use them right. Chia seeds are rich in fiber, plant-based omega-3 fats, and a bit of protein. Together, they help support blood sugar balance, digestive health, joint comfort, satiety, and weight control. George, 70, dealt with constipation, creeping belly fat, and constant low energy. His daughter, a nutritionist, suggested grinding chia seeds and adding a teaspoon to his morning coffee. When ground, chia thickens slightly, giving the coffee a subtle, creamy texture. Within a few weeks, his digestion was more regular, his waistline started shrinking, and his joints felt less stiff on his morning walk. Grind the seeds first. Whole chia often passes through undigested. Just 1 to 2 teaspoons of ground chia in coffee can quietly support your muscles, joints, and digestion. Number 1. Turmeric with black pepper. This golden combo might sound strange in coffee, but the benefits are impressive. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound that helps calm chronic inflammation. After 60, low-grade inflammation is one of the major drivers of muscle loss, joint pain, arterial damage, and even brain decline. Black pepper contains piperine, which can dramatically increase curcumin absorption. On its own, curcumin is poorly absorbed. Add just a pinch of black pepper, and your body can use it far more effectively. Satoshi, 73, loved gardening, but had almost given it up because of knee pain and stiffness. Pain relievers helped for a few hours, but the ache always came back. His daughter suggested he stir about half a teaspoon of turmeric and a tiny pinch of black pepper into his morning coffee. At first, he wasn't thrilled with the idea, but over several weeks he noticed less morning stiffness, more comfortable knees, and the ability to spend more time in his garden without paying for it later. If you try this, start with 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of black pepper. Stir it into your coffee. To smooth the flavor, you can combine it with cinnamon or a little milk. Before we wrap up, a quick reminder. This video is for education, not personal medical advice. Everyone's health situation is different. If you're on medications, especially blood thinners, diabetes medication, or blood pressure drugs, talk with your doctor before making changes. Quick recap of the 8 upgrades: cinnamon, steadier blood sugar, unsweetened cocoa, better circulation coconut MCT oil, clean, steady energy, milk soy milk, extra protein for muscle collagen, joints and connective tissue, whey, powerful muscle-building protein, ground chia, fiber, omega-3s, gentle protein, turmeric plus black pepper, inflammation support. You don't need to use all 8. Start with 1. Maybe cinnamon, maybe whey, maybe turmeric. See how your body responds. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which one are you going to try first in your coffee? Cinnamon, chia, whey, or turmeric? Tell me in the comments below, and if you notice changes over the next few weeks, come back and share. Your story might be exactly what another person needs to hear. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, share it with a friend or family member, and subscribe to Senior Health Secrets for more science-backed strategies to stay strong and independent after 60. Remember, your morning coffee can either be just a habit or part of your health plan. Make it work for you.